Nietzsche's admiration for Aristophanes stems from the Greek playwright's use of humor and satire to criticize and challenge conventional wisdom, traditional values, and established institutions. In The Birth of Tragedy, Nietzsche praised Aristophanes for his ability to embody the Dionysian spirit, which he saw as a vital force of creativity and artistic expression. Nietzsche's fascination with Aristophanes is reflected in his frequent references to the Greek playwright throughout his works. In The Gay Science, Nietzsche used the image of Aristophanes' myth of the androgynous being split in two as a metaphor for the human search for wholeness and completion. He also described Aristophanes' plays as a celebration of life and an affirmation of the human spirit, contrasting them with the pessimism and nihilism that he saw in much of modern thought. In Thus Spoke Zarathustra, Nietzsche again invoked Aristophanes' myth of the androgynous being, using it to symbolize the human desire for self-overcoming and transcendence. He also praised Aristophanes for his use of laughter as a means of subverting authority and exposing the absurdities of established norms and values. Nietzsche's interest in Aristophanes also led him to reflect on Plato's philosophy and its relationship to the Dionysian spirit embodied by Aristophanes. In The Birth of Tragedy, Nietzsche criticized Plato's rejection of the Dionysian as a source of creativity and inspiration, arguing that this rejection reflected a narrow and limiting view of human potential. The discovery of a book of Aristophanes under Plato's deathbed pillow is often cited as evidence of the philosopher's appreciation for the Greek playwright's work. Some scholars have suggested that this discovery may have influenced Plato's own writings, particularly his later dialogues, which are often more playful and imaginative than his earlier works. Overall, Nietzsche's admiration for Aristophanes reflects his belief in the importance of humor, satire, and subversion in challenging established norms and values, and expressing the full range of human potential.